Get your motor running. When you want to make a significant change in your life, you need to get in the right mood. Most of the time, we respond to emotional upheaval that is thrust upon us, or we act on feelings that seem to impact us spontaneously. We've got to get out of this habit. We've got to take control of our body, mind and spirit, because it's only when you take back control of your thoughts, your reactions and your feelings, you realize you have the power to get anything you want. So let's get started with that. Now, one of the first practices a goal-directed person needs to master is the ability to create energetic enthusiasm instantly at the drop of a hat. In this lecture, I'll teach you how to do exactly that. In a word, you need to create motivation. More specifically, motivation that lasts. It's all very well being inspired for a few moments, but we need gasoline that not only helps us start a journey, but keeps us moving along the path until we reach our destination. In short, we need to get pumped and stay pumped. Okay, maintaining continued enthusiasm for a new project is a 4-stage process. Principle 1. Clarity of thought. First off, you need to be well rested and healthy. Honestly, if you're not feeling your best, it's hard to get excited about anything. So, if you're tired, get more sleep. If necessary, get a week's worth of serious rest. Deliberately set out to remove all the stress from your life and focus on maintaining your body in peak condition. And especially on stilling your mind as much as possible. Try meditating for 5 minutes 3 times a day. Relax. Take it easy. Consciously remove all the clutter from your life, including any bad influences like toxic people and any and all unwanted aggravation in your life. I know it's easier said than done, but stick with it. Make a conscious decision to banish nonsense and bozos from your life. It may take a while, but honestly, with dedication to the cause, you can do it. Principle 2. Daydreaming. Take a few moments every day to stare into space and imagine a better life. Sometimes we just can't see past where we are, who we are, and it's at times like these we need to know things can change, that we can change, and that life can get better, and a whole lot more secure and satisfying. Spend time right now, when the lecture's over, fantasizing about your ideal life, your perfect day. Then do this often. When you wake up in the morning and before you go to bed at night, get used to visualizing a world that serves you and makes your dreams come true. Because this is precisely the world the successful already inhabit. Principle 3. Positive expectation. Now, believe it or not, the whole universe is designed to help you, but most of the time you ignore the signs. When you were a preschool kid, you did what you wanted, and pretty much nothing else. You had no sense of responsibility or duty, you just did what felt good. Well, in a lot of ways, you need to get back in touch with your younger self and listen to what your body, your mind and your spirit is trying to tell you. In short, you need to trust your intuition, because once you have clarity of thought and you regularly daydream about a better future, you'll begin to understand how the universe is actually trying to assist you all of the time. You just have to get in touch with your gut and let it lead you into a better way forward. Principle 4. Acceptance. Once you realize that change for the good is inevitable, you can begin to look forward to the future you're surely creating with your thoughts. Learn to enjoy this process because your thoughts really do create actual events and opportunities. And better, more positive thoughts will bring about a brighter, more prosperous future, one that you will love, enjoy, and begin to master. Practice the above 4 principles and I guarantee you will feel more positive. Next, it's time to get specific about your number 1 goal. See you in the next lecture.